Today we're making Crunch Bar cookies. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. These soft and chewy cookies have chopped up candy bars for a delicious twist on classic chocolate chip. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees and gather your ingredients. Add the butter, light brown sugar, and vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Then we're going to add in a quarter cup of milk. This can be cow's milk, coconut milk, oat, or almond milk. They all work. Milk is a great egg replacer in cookies and it makes cookies super soft and chewy. Then add in the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix on low until combined into a stiff cookie dough. Chop up the Crunch Bars. Today I'm using my homemade Crunch Bars, but store-bought also works too. You could even use another kind of chocolate bar if you want. Add the chopped up Crunch Bars to the cookie dough, reserving some for the tops of the cookies. Mix on low until combined. Then line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and using your hands, form the dough into 12 cookie dough balls, placing 6 on each sheet. Add the reserved chocolate on top of the cookie dough. Bake at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. The best thing about eggless cookies like these is you can underbake them as much as you want. I like to round these out with a cookie cutter for perfectly round cookies after they come out of the oven, and then sprinkle them with a little bit of flaky sea salt. These Crunch Bar cookies are soft and chewy, but they have a little crunch to them thanks to the puff quinoa. They're sweet and salty, and I hope you guys love them as much as I do. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more eggless cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.